Okay guys, I have a little problem with this Dynamite skilled safety kill switch. When I turn it on, the red light is on and it will start. Okay, it's already is on. I'm gonna start it up. It dies. The lights died also, but the problem comes on when I turn on my receiver, the transmitter. The safety goes back, but the lights won't turn back, so I cannot start the engine now because of the light. To start it again, I need to remove the battery box, unplug it, and then plug it so the light will turn on. You need to find the lights. I don't know, sometimes jack put it inside and then stick it in. There you go, the lights turn on again. So that's a problem. I need to remove the battery box and unplug and plug it again so I can use the kill switch, which is it's not the way it's supposed to work like that. So I'm gonna return that kill switch and then let's see if the second batch or other batch from this company will give me a good kill switch. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.